G'day guys, I'm Chef Guy Turlin from Bondi Harvest, and today I have partnered with Windy Hills Farm to teach you how to get the most out of your salad and herbs. If you've watched my past recipes, you know I'm obsessed with light, fresh, zesty flavors, and there's no better way to get that than with delicious, healthy potted herbs. So we're going to get into it. I'm going to teach you a bunch of recipes, and you are going to fill your kitchen with herbs next time you go shopping. Let's get cooking. How to make delicious rosemary and lamb koftas. We have some delicious Australian lamb mince. We've got some garlic, some beautiful lemon, cumin, pine nuts, and then the hero of this dish, in my opinion, is the rosemary and the mint. So we're actually going to use the rosemary as the kofta stick, and what will happen is those essential oils and those fresh, delicious flavors are going to impart into the lamb mince. It's super delicious, it's amazing. And then we're going to serve it with some fresh yogurt. To make our koftas, everything goes into a bowl. We mix it together like a mosh pit. So we have our lamb mince, we have our garlic, we have lemon, cumin, pine nuts. From there, we're going to chop through some mint and some rosemary and fold that into the lamb mix until it's well combined. Hit it with a bit of salt and pepper just for seasoning. And then this, in my opinion, is a real trick to this recipe, is we're swapping out the skewers for fresh rosemary sticks. So you want nice, long, thick rosemary strands. And we're just going to take about 2 tablespoons and we're going to shape it around the rosemary. And what's going to happen is when we grill these beautiful koftas, all of that oil, those essential oils that come with fresh rosemary, is going to impart into the lamb mince, and it is going to blow your mind how much flavor this delicious rosemary from Windy Hills Farm gives to the recipe. There we have it, an amazing lamb kofta recipe. I promise you, the mix of the herbs and the spices and the zesty lemon, it is going to elevate your next barbecue.